25 species of plants are there, and sir has told in detail. Then we have a lot of bird species also, and you must know which is the state duty bird of Jammu and Kashmir.
Very good.
It has recently been notified, declared as the duty bird.
Somebody named, I think, correctly. Yes.
Very good.
That also thrives here. You see here.
You can have the sighting of police pigeon here. Maybe. And then red jungle fowl is also very commonly visible in this.
Jangli murga also.
Yes, sir. Which we called as jungli murga. It is just like desi murga. Then some wild boar we called as. It is also visible in this park. Let me tell you something about sir. O.P. Vidyarthi sir, who is our chief guest and resource person also for the today program. Sir is very gentle, but sir has retired as a PCCF, and PCCF is the highest post in forest department. You can imagine the velocity and the simplicity of the sir and dedication towards the environment and biodiversity. And he is also he has written more than 52 books.
Thank you.
I beg pardon because I should be here in time because of some reasons or some traffic jam. I was not here to introduce sir. And sir is already Sahitya Academy winner, awardee. Sir has vast experience because he has already worked as a forest officer and he has retired as director of department also, our department of ecology, environment and remote science. And sir is very active in one of the campaign which is becoming very famous. If you search in the Facebook, that is Tree Talk. Tree Talk, and sir has delivered more than 1600 tree talks. Just like this is one of the programs. You can also call it as tree talk, just because everywhere sir where goes sir delivers lecture on the trees, especially on the trees and biodiversity. And we are very fortunate that sir has given us his precious time for you, and I am hopeful that you will gain something during this visit. Then you also have to ensure that inside the park, just for one day, you have to ensure that there should be no trash, just like in the letter which I have received from the DPS authorities, that it will be like that, there no trash, leaving behind no trash. And we should develop this habit in our daily routine life also. We can use the alternatives for the plastic. Just like we have developed one plastic bag. Can you show me? Plastic bag कहाँ रखा? One bag. It is just alternate for the polythene bag. We can purchase it from the market, and whenever we go to purchase the groceries, then we should have developed the habit to take that plastic polythene what we call as replacement of polythene bag. It is like gunny bag. Then whenever you go, don't throw the trash here and there. Make minimum use of plastic or avoid plastic because there are so many alternatives for the plastic, and this is just we call it Mission Life. It is written in the back. You can see in the that Lexi. And also we have to adopt a healthy lifestyle. And today we will go for trekking. Though it is a small trek, but it should be developed as a healthy lifestyle, and we should develop this habit in our daily routine life. That we should go for trekking or walking, and then we should adopt a healthy food. Healthy. We should adopt the food which is healthy, and we should focus on the indigenous food, which we are not focusing nowadays. We are mainly going to the malls and we are having pizza parties, but the traditional foods, we are not focusing on the traditional foods. and just like sir has told us that the trees they are giving us so many things, and not only the food but also the medicinal. There are many medicinal plants. They can cure our disease also, and which is done in the Ayurveda system also. I am hopeful that we will today we will have very fruitful this small trip or tour, education tour, and we have a museum also in our within this.
That's wonderful to visit.
Park. And there a lot we have a large number of specimens, photographs, and you will get a lot of knowledge from there. And I am also highly thankful to the authorities of DPS that they have chosen this place as today for education for today. And this is our one of the plastic bag which has been printed by department, and it is just alternate for the polythene bag. It is gunny bag. We should develop the habit that we can purchase from market also, because we should use we should make minimum use of the plastic. And thank you and welcome you all in this environment.
On this occasion, I would also like to introduce Madam Pooja Suri, who is associated with this environmental awareness programs, popularly called as Tree Talks, and she has developed the innovative herbal beverages and herbal foods. Yesterday, I saw her work where she used papita fruit to develop halwa, to develop ambal means khata cuisine, laddu. I was taken amazed. So we would like to listen her also how she got this idea, wonderful idea to promote the health promoting foods. Give some examples which you have managed.
Good morning, everyone. And on this occasion of Children's Day, I would like to wish you all Happy Children's Day. So you have a privilege to visit this environmental park. I hope you have come earlier also. If it is for the first time, you can see the surrounding. हमारे जो plants हैं, they have the prana, life force. So this is giving us life force. Oxygen मिल रहा है. What all you are getting from the tree? Food you are getting from the tree. Oxygen you are getting from the tree. Water you can get from the tree. Medicines you get from the tree. Bees, butterflies, sparrows, and other birds also live on trees. So you can find full life on the tree. So I am associated with Vidyarthi sir for last 1 year, but before that also I used to say that trees are everything. So they give us life. So I would like to share one of my childhood incidents where I was very ill. I was not in a good shape. So I was not being diagnosed what is wrong with my health. My father told me that take a round and spend some time with trees. He took me there.
Wonderful.
And after coming from there, after 10 minutes, I came back. Everything was good. I was feeling so energetic. I spent some time. So I would like you all to spend time with your kind of natural, like in parks. At your home, you can plant some trees or small shrubs or plants where you can discuss, you can talk to them, you can meet them. I have a rooftop garden where I go every day just for watering and talking with them. You should talk to the trees and all. And मेरा एक और है कि I try to involve all the herbal things in my diet so as to cure myself. I don't take allopathic medicines. I don't believe in that. That is all chemicals. So as I said, Ayurveda is a natural way of healing. So हमारे kitchen में there are so many masalas. In Indian cuisine we use so many masalas. So that is all full of medicinal properties. One should know what this herb can do. There are all herbs. I think you all know. You all visit to your kitchens Do you visit your kitchens? So कभी बीमार होते हैं तो your mother give you काढ़ा, is it? Or you go and take medicines? Just come up, you take medicines. Try to follow the natural way of curing yourself. Try to explore what the dalchini is doing for you, what the green cardamom is doing for you, what are the benefits. Try to find that and involve that in your diet to get the benefits of that. So yesterday I prepared just raw kacha papita ka different variety of cuisines. So you should also try to explore new kind of recipes so that it is good for your health. What is raw papaya good at? Can you tell me? Any science student? Raw papaya में क्या होता है जो हमारे को अच्छा healthy बनाता है? Any benefit? Raw papaya is full of fiber, vitamins, right? And it is anti-cancerous property also. When you put a cut on the skin, that is white sap comes. It is very good medicine. So this is a homework. You have to explore what is the property of raw papaya, right? So it's a one kind of thing which you can use. There are so many things in the nature. Nature is giving you with the open hands. You just have to take it and explore the new things. So that's what I am doing. That's what I feel that everyone should get connected to the plants. Get more of your good life.
Name some of the new innovations. Amla laddu like that.
Know the recipes also.
Amla is so important.
From last couple of months, I am doing this work. Earlier also I was I was connected with the food, but now I have prepared amla laddu. Amla is a very good vitamin C source which kids don't like. They don't like eating it because it's having.
But as laddu they will eat.
Yes, but laddu you will definitely eat, but I have not got it. So that is very good. Amla laddu, beetroot laddu. Then you should use beetroot. Beetroot in your diet will give you more of blood, right? Like it's red, it will increase your hemoglobin. So you should have one beetroot.
Swahajana Moringa mentioned that.
Yeah. Another thing which I prepared was Sahajan laddu. I actually don't remember all the things which I have prepared. So Sahajan laddu I have prepared for one of the free talks also. Yesterday I prepared
Pumpkin laddu. You prepared pumpkin laddu, yeah.
Papita laddu.
papita laddu. Yes.
Papita laddu.
Green papaya you can purchase and use
Papita halwa. It was quite tasty.
Papaya
Papita
paroti also.
kheer. I was taking with a microscope and magnifying like, is it a rice or a flake of papaya? It was papaya. But unbelievable. Never tasted kheer of, we are taking the kheer of rice. Rice milk pudding. But not from papaya. And yesterday it was a National Indian Pudding Day. So she made it a point to come with unique pudding. Papaya,
raw papaya pudding.
raw papaya.
Raw papaya pudding, raw papaya with the.
We never
curd.
thought of it.
Yes. So I keep on trying to get something new to every tree talk, and that the inspiration is Sir guides me, and that course with which I get from environment. You all should love environment, and I would like you all to promise that you will not litter your whatever is you will be carrying, trash over here and there. Just keep it in your bags or in your carry bag if you have, and throw it in dustbin. So this way you will be securing your future. हम लोग तो अभी it is like 20-25 years more, we will not be able to see more of this. But you are the generation future. You have to teach your future generation also. You have to carry this in your mind that you don't have to exploit the nature. आप देख रहे हो हमारे जो earthquakes हो रहे हैं, जम्मू में flooding हो रही है. It is all because of.
Bring that Chandan branch. Here it is. Have they thrown it?
Because of what?
Okay, fine.
Can you tell me why we are facing so many of earthquakes and landslides? I'm not getting you. Deforestation is one. Yes.
Oh, so
Why is
that is
happening?
beyond our control.
Happening?
Plate tectonics, he is
We-
saying.
Yeah, we have to protect ecosystem. हम nature को exploit कर रहे हैं. We are
But
destroying
they are
it.
technically,
So
na,
it is
because
coming
of
up with
Google
a
internet
bad
so
way.
advanced, na, they will tag
So you
everything.
have to protect your environment. So we'll have a round, we'll have a visit to this park, and we'll see the richness of nature which is given to us as a gift from the God. We have to protect it. Right? Right? We will protect it? Yes. We will protect it? More louder. And when we'll come back, you will all try to sum up your experiences in the park, what you have seen, what you have understood, what all you are going to take to your home, and what all experience you will be keeping in your mind after this visit. Right? Okay. So we'll again meet after a visit. Right? Thank you.